guys, today I'm going to be doing some more photography, but this time in more wooded and traily areas. So I'm going to be taking photos and I'm going to show you them all, and I hope you enjoy this video guys, and leave a like and subscribe. Guys, for all that, so I hope you enjoyed the photos and I hope you enjoyed the nature scenery that we've been looking at and all the nature I've taken photos of. I'm not going to tell you exactly where I took these photos in this video, but if you've got a woodland near you, don't forget to have a look and see if you can take photos yourself. Goodbye.